Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter number 3 playing with number question number 4 of exercise 3.1. What the question is saying guys? The question is saying question number 4, write down separately the prime and the composite number less than 20. Okay, means I have to find it out the prime numbers and the composite numbers separately. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make a column of prime number and composite number. Okay, like this. Now calculate which are the prime numbers and which are the composite numbers. Okay, you have to find it out and you have to find it out less than 20, less than 20. So be careful while reading the question, means you don't have to write it down whether to 20, about 20. Okay, you don't have to write it down about 20. So and all the further videos means the question 1 to 3 I have already explained you in the previous question. Okay, so we will start from 1. Between 1 less than 20, 1 is a prime number or 1 is a composite number. Okay, 1 is not a prime number either and 1 is also not a composite number. 1 is only a factor. 1 is only a factor. 1 is only a factor. So we cannot write it down 1. Okay. Now let's come to 2. As you know, 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number because 3 is only divisible by 1 and by itself. 2 is also divisible by 1 and by itself. Okay, and you guys know what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divisible by 1 or by itself. Okay, or they are having only 2 factors. Okay, so 3, 4. 4 is a composite number because 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 4 as well. 5 is also a 5 is a prime number. 6 is composite number. 7 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and by itself. 8 is a composite number because it is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 4. 9 is a composite number because 9 is divisible by 3. 10 is also a composite number because it is divisible by 2, 5. Okay. 11 is a prime number because 11 is only divisible by 1 and by itself. 12 is a composite number. 13 is a prime number. 14 is a composite number. 15 is also a composite number. 16 is also a composite number. 17 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and by itself. 18 is a composite number. 19 is a prime number. Okay, now we don't have to take 20 because it is mentioned in the question. Write down separately the prime and the composite number less than 20. Okay, less than 20. Okay, so these are the prime numbers and these are the composite numbers. Okay, I hope you guys understood, and we will not take 1 because 1 is not a prime number, neither a composite number. It is just a factor. It is just a factor. Okay, now let's continue with the question number 5. What the question number 5 is saying, I hope you guys understood. And about related all these videos, means what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, you can watch my previous videos. Okay, you will get the clarification of each and everything over there. Question number 5 is saying, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Okay, means we have to find it out between 1 and 10. Okay, we have to find it out the greatest prime number. Greatest prime number. And I have already told you prime number are those number which are only divisible by 1 and by itself. Okay, and the biggest, do you think 9 is a prime number? No, 9 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 3. Yes. Okay, 8 is also not a prime number because it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 4. So yes, 7 is the prime number. 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 20 because 7 is only divisible by 1 and by itself. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Now express the following as a sum of two odd numbers. Question number 6 is saying, means the number is given to us 44. I have to write it down. I have to split this number, okay, in a manner addition of a two odd number will come 44. Okay, means what I have to do, I have to make the sum of two odd numbers. I have to make the sum of two odd numbers. Okay, while adding that number I will get 44. Okay, 44. So what you can do, if I'll tell that 41, let's take 41. 41 is also a prime number. Okay, 41 plus 3, and 3 is also a, 41 is an odd number and 3 is also a odd number. Okay, it's come to 44. Okay, for an example we can also take if I will take 39, no, it's not a prime number. 37 is a prime number, and 37 plus 7, 37 plus 7 is also 44, is also 44. Okay, okay, like this we can make more numbers, but it is not mentioned over here that how many numbers do we have to express. Means express the following as the sum of two odd numbers. So we can write only one or we can write only two. Okay, so like this we can do. Okay, now the question is saying 36. Question number B is 36, and I have to express in two odd numbers. Okay, 36. Let's say 31 plus 5, 36. Okay, of course. And let's say if I will take 15 over here, it will come 21. 21 plus 15 is also 36. Okay, so these are the two odd numbers, pair of odd numbers which we add, we will get the even number, or we can say 36. Now the next question is 24. So let's 24 is equals to 19 plus 5 is 24. If I will take 9 plus 15 is also 24. Okay, and if I want I can also take 3 plus 21 is also 24. Okay, now the number is given to us is 18. Okay, now 7 plus 11 is 18. Okay, 9 plus 9 plus what is 18? 9 is 18. Okay, and else 13 plus 5 is 18. Okay, so like this you can find it out how many numbers. Okay, means I've already told you in the previous questions that if we add if we add any odd numbers, we will get one even number. Okay, one even number. So the best way to do this is like the number 44 is given. Take any odd number. Take any odd number. Okay, let's say I have taken 7, or let's say I have taken 9, let's say I have taken 11, let's say I have taken 13. Whatsoever I have number, if the odd number, if I will subtract from here, I will get only odd number. Look it out. Okay, I'll get the odd numbers. Means 31 plus 3, 44 is equals to 15. Then I will get 29 plus 15. Okay, 44 minus 37. Then also I will get 37 plus 7, I'll get 44. Means if I will subtract any odd number, okay, from the given number, okay, and the number should be even. See, all the numbers are even. Okay, I will get the number. Okay, I will get the odd number. Okay, by which we can add and get that particular number. Okay, I have already told you the addition, the sum of two odd number is always even. The sum of two odd number is always even. Okay, so this is the easiest way. Whatsoever even numbers or the odd numbers, or sorry, whatsoever odd numbers you can imagine, you can write it down and you can subtract it from that particular number, and you will get the numbers, okay, you want. Now question number 7, what the question number 7 is saying. Question number 7 is saying give three pairs of prime numbers, okay, whose difference is 2. Means I have to find it out the pairs of prime numbers. Okay, difference means if I will subtract those prime numbers, okay, I will get 2 in answer. Okay, and remark is given that two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Twin primes. Okay, we twin primes. So if I will take prime numbers like 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, and if I will take 11 minus 9 is not a prime number, 13 minus 11, 2. Okay, and I can say 19 minus 17 is equals to 2. Okay, and likewise I can write it down many numbers. 31 31 minus 29 is equals to 2. Okay, and just think of the numbers, any prime number. Any number you guys are having, just think and write it down. Okay, and these are what known as twin primes. These are also known as twin primes. Okay, twin primes written, but it is given in the question that we have to write it down in the three pairs. Okay, so you can write it down. I have written over here 1 2 3. After that I have written fourth. Okay, and many more maybe you guys have written. Okay, so but in the question only three pairs of prime number is asking in the question, so three pairs are over here. Now what the question number 8 is saying? Question number 8 is saying which of the following numbers are prime? Which of the following numbers are prime? Means we have to find it out the given number. Is it a prime number or not? Is it a prime number or not? And again I am explaining you what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divisible by 1 and by itself. Let's say question number A, 23. Is 23 is a prime number? Yes, 23 is a prime number because it is only divisible by 1 and by itself. There is no other number 3. Okay. Now, if we will talk about A is a prime number, B, 51. Is 51 is a prime number? No, because 51 is divisible by 3. Let's see 51. 3 ones are 3, 2, 1. 3 sevens are 21. Okay, means it is divisible by 3 also. So 51 is not a prime number. Now let's talk about 37. See, 37. 37 is a prime number because it is not divisible by any number. Okay, you cannot divide it by 2 because even number is not there in last. We cannot divide it by 3 because the sum of both the numbers are 10. So and 10 is not divisible by 3. This means this number is also not divisible by 3. Both the numbers is not divisible by 4 as well. Okay, 5, we cannot divide 37 by 5 because the last number is 7. 6, we cannot divide it by 6 as well. We cannot divide it by 7 as well. Okay, so it is 37 is also a prime number. Okay, 26. Now let's come to 26. 26, as you know, this is even number. At last it is divisible by 2. Okay, so it is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. Okay, I hope you guys understood. These exercises are very easy. Okay, you don't have to mug up the things, but you have to just clear your concept at what I have to do in this. Okay, you should watch my introduction video in which I have already explained you what are prime numbers, what are odd numbers, what are even numbers. All these I have already explained you over there. Okay, just you have to apply your previous knowledge, okay, while doing these questions. Okay, now the question number 9 is saying write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 10 so that there is no prime number between them. Okay, means I have to write it down 7 composite consecutive. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive meaning is continuous. What's the meaning of consecutive? Is continuous, means I have to write it down the consecutive composite number less than 100. Okay, so that there is no prime number between them. Okay, these question and next 3 questions we will continue in the next video. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead guys. Bye bye.